Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Chelsea Geby. I'm from 12 Sign 4, 75 Senior High School, Jakarta. So in this video, I want to tell you about procedure text. So what is procedure text? Procedure text is kind of text that contains steps to use, to operate, to make, or to do something. The social function of procedure text is to tell how something is completely done through a sequence of action or steps. Procedure text have three generic structures. The first one is goals. Goals is similar like title. For example, how to use hair dryer, or how to make a cake, or something like that. The second one is material. For example, when you want to make a cake, you need egg, sugar, baking powder, and many more ingredients. The last one is step. Step tell about what do you have to do. So yeah, to be clear, I will give you an example of procedure text, so keep on watching. Hey guys, so now I will show you how to make lip scrub. The ingredients and material you need are: the first one is spoon, and next you need container. I have two different containers. And next the ingredient is honey and sugar. Let's get started to make lip scrub. The first one, put 1 spoon of honey into the container. You can use anything kind of honey, but I recommend you to use original honey. So next, put 1 spoon sugar into the container. And then mix them until evenly distributed. And this is the final texture. The lip scrub is all ready to use. You can use this on your lips, and if you want to save the lip scrub, you can use another container with a lid in order to durable. So I want to move the lip scrub into this container. You can keep it on freezer or safety place and use whenever you want. I think it's enough for today. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. You can give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and share this video for your friend, family, and anyone. And you can comment down below what should I do in the next video. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.